chocolate sponge for chocolate truffle cake. So chocolate sponge, we are going to use 2 eggs, 60 grams of sugar, 40 grams of flour and 20 grams of cocoa powder. I'm going to add some vanilla essence to cut the egg smell. And we've got some greased tray which is lined with butter paper for your sponge cake. I'm going to start making your chocolate sponge cake, which you're going to beat egg and sugar. Slightly beat egg to make it a little frothy. And you can gradually add sugar little at once. And continue beating till you get a consistency called ribbon consistency. So it's going to take, depending on the speed of beating, 10 to 15 minutes is going to take. I'm going to beat it to a consistency called the ribbon consistency. Let us see how it looks. Egg and sugar mixture is beaten nicely. We got a ribbon consistency. When you take and lift and drop, the thickness of your mixture is seen. The trail that is falling will stay for a few seconds. That is ribbon consistency. Now we're going to add vanilla essence. 1 cap of vanilla essence can be added. Depending on the strength of vanilla essence, you can add half to 1 cap. Mix it nicely. The next very important stage, this is very important stage of beating till the consistency is attained to ribbon consistency. Then you're going to add flour to the beaten mixture. So this is very important stage of mixing a cake batter. The flour has to be the mixture of cocoa powder and flour. 40 grams of cocoa powder and 20 grams of flour. We mixed it together and kept. We're going to divide and add 2 batches. Divide into 2 batches and add in 2 batches. Sprinkle it on top. You can use a spatula, or here we're using the balloon whisk itself. You're going to not beat it, you're going to use a cutting and folding action. Sprinkle it on top so that will reduce a little mixing of your mixture there. And if you dump it, it will go settle down at the bottom. So you sprinkle it and add it, half of that mixture. Then quickly fold it. When you're folding, revolve your balloon whisk also. That will also reduce your mixing. The mixing will be more effective. Use cutting and folding method and revolve your balloon whisk. So that will also help in mixing. Take care to mix thoroughly from the side and the bottom of the mixture. Once it is smoothly mixed, you're going to add the next mixture, remaining mixture. 2 or 3 batches you can add flour. When you're mixing, mix it thoroughly, taking extra care to mix it from the bottom as well as the corners, because with the weight of flour it will all go down and settle at the bottom. The flour mixture is thoroughly mixed. You're going to drop it in your cake mold. Fill it a little more than half so that when you're baking it will raise and take the desired size. bake it at a temperature of 180 degrees C for 15 to 20 minutes till it is done. You're going to check the doneness of your cake by inserting a toothpick at the center, which will come out, dry toothpick will come out clean and dry. So the chocolate sponge is, make sure the chocolate sponge is ready, you're going to bake it. Making ganache for the filling of truffle cake. For ganache making, we need equal proportion of cream, double cream, and chocolate. We have 200 ml of cream, and we have 200 grams of chocolate in the hand, which is shredded into fine pieces. We're going to heat our double cream over slow flame till the cream attains a warm temperature. You need to boil the cream, let it become slightly warm, and then we can go to add our chocolate. Your double cream is warm enough now. We're going to add chocolate. Still do it over slow flame. You're going to melt have your chocolate melted. The ratio is 1:1. If you want a richer chocolate ganache, you can even add 1.5 times of chocolate. We are adding 1 and the ratio 1:1. The temperature for your cream, chocolate is melting. We can add all the chocolate at once, and once it is all melted, you're going to put off the flame, and you're going to keep mixing for a few minutes. Then you're going to let it be covered at room temperature for around 3 to 4 hours for cooling, and then when it is brought down to the temperature, room temperature, it will slowly thicken. The mixture will get thickened. There is cream as a thickening agent. There is also chocolate, and once it is brought down to room temperature, it will thicken completely, which can be stored in the refrigerator, and you can use it as and when you need to make your chocolate cake. Here is chocolate ganache, which you're going to cool and keep it ready for chocolate cake. I'm going to make assembled chocolate truffle cake, for which we have chocolate sponge, which is baked and kept ready, which you're going to slice into even thin layers, 3 layers or 4 layers. And we have ganache, chocolate ganache, which is put in a piping bag and kept ready. For easy application, we're going to use piping bag. And we have vanilla flavored sugar syrup, normal sugar stock prepared using sugar and water, just boil. And we have some cherries for garnishing. We're going to slice your cake into thin, even layers. Mark your layer evenly so that you get even thickness. Mark it all around, maintaining even thickness, and then you can go slicing very well. This cake we're going to slice into 3 layers. Thickness, uniformity of your layers thickness is going to decide the uniformity of your gateaux, slice of gateaux. Slices. we're going to now apply sugar syrup on the first layer. This is to avoid dryness of your cake in the gateau. I'm going to apply sugar syrup. The bottom layer, don't soak it much. The other two layers you can soak it pretty nicely. See that sugar syrup is applied everywhere, especially the corners. I'm going to apply ganache. Chocolate ganache can be applied using a palette knife, or you can even use a piping bag like this. You can apply it uniformly, it will be easy application. If you want it to be level, you can even use a palette knife to level it once again. I'm going to place the next layer. After placing the next layer, make sure it is level by pressing it gently. Ensure that the leveling is properly there. I'm going to repeat the same process of applying ganache to the second layer, on top of the second layer, so that we can sandwich the third layer. Now we are placing the third layer, just to ensure that it is level. We're going to apply sugar syrup on top layer as well. We applied enough sugar syrup. We're going to cover the top. We're going to cover the gateaux fully with ganache. Then we're going to pour over truffle mixture. Cover the side as well. Once it is nicely covered, we're going to level it using a palette knife. For the sides level, the sides level now. The top also level it. In case if you find your ganache is a little soft, you can keep the cake in the freezer and then have your ganache it, and then you can level it and smoothen it by dipping your palette knife in hot water. Basically, you're looking for a flatter, smoother surface on top. cake is after covering with ganache, it is kept ready, and we've melted the truffle on double boil and the ganache with a little bit of butter or olive oil. We've got it melted, so that is the truffle that you want to pour on top. The oil is added for the shining. I'm going to pour on a set chocolate cake covering the entire cake part of it. Pour it quickly so that it will get covered. The extra covering has to be the dripping. Make enough provision to gather it in a vessel so that you can reuse it. The sides, see that when pouring, the sides are also covered. So basically, you're looking for a smooth, even coating everywhere. The cake is covered, you want to keep it in the refrigerator for setting for a few minutes. 5 to 10 minutes you want to keep it in the refrigerator for setting. You can tap it a little so that it will get melted. And this you want to keep it in the refrigerator for setting, and then finally you want to decorate and serve truffle cake. Truffle is set on top of our truffle cake. Now you want to decorate with piping of ganache.